Hello and welcome to ET Garage. My name's Eugene Tordo and today we're at Lake Wallenpaupack and I took my great nephew for his first ride in a Corvette. Maybe later on I'll let him drive it. If we can find a spot to drive it, you know, like down in Mexico or something. Say hello, John.
Hello.
And today you went for a ride. What you think of driving in the Corvette? You like it?
Yeah.
It's fun? Yep. You want to drive it?
Yes.
Okay, maybe I'll let you take it out on the interstate. All right, maybe not. Maybe when you get a driver's license. But let's go over here, and we'll let you use the pop-up headlights. How's that? Reach in there. Reach right in there, and turn that knob. You ready? Pop-up headlights. There you go. All right, put them down. There we go. Okay, so today
we should go down the path and look at the water.
Go down the path and look at the water. All right, you lead and I'll follow. There you go. He's the boss today, I guess. Uh-oh, you got a stick? That's it, clear the path. There we go.
This is really rocky, guys.
Yeah.
Getting a lot of stuff.
Sure is.
Guys,
Wow.
look, there's a dead seagull right there.
Oh yeah, that's not an eagle, that's like a seagull or something.
Yeah, I said that's a seagull.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a
Look
nice
at
view of the
this
lake.
beautiful water.
Huh?
This is beautiful water.
Yeah, it is. It's real nice. It's nice and calm today too. I mean, there's a little breeze.
Subscribe if you want us to go in this.
Huh?
I said subscribe if you want us to go in it.
Yeah, that's right. Subscribe. Hear what he said? Subscribe if you want us to go in it. He's doing YouTube better than I do, and he doesn't even have a YouTube channel yet. All right. Anyway, I forgot how big this lake is. I'll try and leave information up here when I edit the video. And this is a pretty big lake, though. And if you come up here on the weekend, it's usually busy during the summer. You get a lot of people from the city and New Jersey and all that coming up here.
So you should be coming here on the weekdays.
Yep. Come here on the weekday. And I believe there's several of these marinas around here have boat rentals, or they used to. It's been a long time since I've been up this lake.
Yeah, there's boat rentals like all the way down there somewhere.
All the way down there?
Pointing it down that way somewhere.
Down that way? All right.
He
seems to know the lake better than I do.
You see some boats going down. There's one.
Yeah.
There's some other ones you can see.
Yeah.
And yeah. And there's some boats right there.
Yeah. Yeah, you can rent jet skis too, I believe. And all that stuff. I remember years ago I rented a sailboat. I don't know if they still do that. I was out here one year. My brother, he used to have a boat that he took out here, and we took that out here. That was a long time ago. But this is in northeastern Pennsylvania, in case you're wondering. And it is a man-made lake as far as I know. There's a wall over there. And we'll have to head up there and see the wall.
So there's a path down there we could go on.
Yeah, let's go explore the path. There we go.
I guess a tiny tree fell.
Yeah.
Watch your step. This is big. Oh wow, this is a rocky path.
Yes, it is.
Oh guys, I just saw a mouse. It's right there. I see it.
What's that?
I don't know if it's a mouse or not, but look.
What are you doing?
Look, look at that creature right there.
Oh yeah, that's a chipmunk. There we go. Let's see if we can get close to him. He might let us. Oh, there he goes.
He went into his...
Yeah, I don't think we're going to see him on this. But we'll try.
We're going to have a little walking to do because I don't see it yet. Or maybe I do. It's right there. think that I got a
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Look, guys, there's the boat.
Yep, there's a boat. There also is a public beach further up that way that you can go to, and I believe they have a changing room, and I'm not sure if they got a place there to eat or not, like a snack bar or not. It's been so long since I've been there. But you can look it up on the internet. Well, he's gonna go that way, I'm gonna go this way. Where'd you go? There you are. You lost me. All right.
I guess there's a fire pit here, guys.
Yep. Sure is.
Guys, comment down below. What way should we go? This way or this way?
Yeah. What way? What way do you think we should go? That way or this way? I think we should go this way. If not, I believe...
Or
yeah.
we could go this way, down this path, so let's go up that way.
All right. There we go. We're going to go that way.
This way?
That way? No, the way you
This
picked.
way.
Yep,
Let's
there you
go
go.
And then there's a path. I don't know if they allow bicycles in here or not, but maybe you could take a bicycle down these.
I guess if you had a one of those off-road bicycles, you could probably do it.
Like a mountain bike.
Yeah, mountain bike.
And I have a dirt bike, so.
Yeah, there you go. I don't know if they'd allow a dirt bike, but yeah, mountain bike they probably allow. A dirt bike, I'm not sure about.
Oh, look at this beautiful rock wall right here.
All right.
Comment down below if we should climb it.
Climb what?
The rock wall.
The rock wall? Yeah, go ahead, climb.
You want me to climb the rock wall, guys?
That's up to you. If you want to climb it, go ahead. Just be careful. I'm not climbing it. I'm going up that path. Go ahead. You go ahead, climb it. Try not to skin a knee. All right, you made it. Wait there and I'll be up. I'm taking the path. I'm an old guy. Okay, when you're walking this path, watch out for the geese droppings. There you go. I think there's a nice view. Yep. Definitely watch out for the geese droppings. Oh, there are a lot of geese droppings too. Yes, it is. It's a great view. It's a nice day too because it's a little humid, but the temperature is real good and the wind is nice. And it's not too much sun. It's nice.
Start heading back to the Corvette?
Here in a few minutes. Let me point over there. Over in that direction, they used to have a boat tour. I don't know if it's still there or not. We'll have to find out.
I think it is.
Yeah, it might still be. And let's head back to the Corvette.
And comment down below if you want us to take a view. You want us to take a ride with you with the camera in the Corvette.
Say again?
Take the camera in the Corvette and you drive.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay.
All right.
So,
You get in there, buckle up, and then I'll hand you the camera, okay? There you go. Do yourself a favor.
You want me to start the Corvette, guys?
Say what?
You want me to start the Corvette?
Hold on a second. We'll let you do that in a second. Let me get in. All right.
So
Wait a minute. There you
I'm
go.
gonna start the Corvette.
You got it?
Let that baby purr.
You got it?
Yep.
Started it up. Good job.
Well, now we're gonna go for a drive.
Yep.
Down to the beach, I think. The beach area.
Backup camera's working.
Backup camera.
Be careful pulling out here.
Yep. Lock the door. Beautiful view.
Yeah, you can spin that around. Get a view of us driving if you want. It's up to you. Right.
There's him driving.
And light.
We're at a red light, guys. Look at this. So yeah,
There we go.
it's green now. And now we're going.
What? I don't know. I should have hit the ATM machine. I don't have cash right now.
What?
All right, here we are down by the docks waiting for the boat. It doesn't come for, we got there like 10 minutes after the boat left, so we got to wait like, you know, an hour. We went and got lunch, and we came down here, and he goofed off in the water a little bit. And over here, you can rent kayaks. You can rent those boards you stand on and paddle with, and you can rent
Jet skis.
those pontoon boats too.
And you could rent jet skis. I think.
Jet skis too? Yeah, you can rent jet skis too, I guess too.
Wait,
But
can you rent jet skis?
I don't know. I didn't see it on their list over here. They just had these kayaks and those paddle boards and those pontoon boats. So that's good to know if you ever want to come out here and rent a boat. I would Google or do some whatever your favorite search is and find out the information on there, because I'm sure prices change over time. But as soon as the boat comes here, we'll pick up. We'll get back to it. Is that what we're gonna do?
Yep.
All right. Okay, he was in the water. His feet are wet and his butt got wet, so he's gonna dry off, and when the boat gets here, we'll pick it up. Okay, here we are on the boat. It's a pontoon boat, and Captain Chris is our captain. And basically the tour is just of the northern part of the lake. If you did the whole lake, it'd probably be 3 hours. But they take you over by the dam and gives you details about the shoreline, about boat launches and marinas, and you get some really nice views. It was a really nice day too. Water was pretty calm. Got a little choppy later on. But here we are getting close to the dam. I don't know how good you could see it here with the GoPro. So that's the dam they built. This is a reservoir, man-made reservoir. It's the second largest lake contained just in the state of Pennsylvania. Racetown Lake is the largest. And then there's another lake that goes into upstate New York. I believe that's bigger than both of them. But go along the shoreline. We also get to see some of the homes along the shores. Really nice, beautiful homes. At some point the camera dies, and of course we got to see even more beautiful homes and more information about the lake. And we got to see a bald eagle too. Like I said, the camera didn't die, but the battery ran out. So if you're up at the lake, I highly advise you take the boat tour. It's worth it. It's a 1 hour boat tour. It's leaves at the top every hour. So get out there. Hold it. All right, John, you ready to drive the Corvette?
Yes.
Okay, remember, really slow. Start her up. We're on a private road, by the way, if anybody's wondering. We're not on a public highway. Yeah, there you go. There you go. All right. Pull it all the way back. Push the button all the way back. Put on the brake hard. There you go. There you go. All right. Now touch the brake a couple of times. Get used to it. See how it's rolling away? Yep, there you go. Okay, you're good. There you go. There he is. John's driving the Corvette. A little slower, a little slower. Yep, be real slow on these bumps. Okay. Press, see those gray buttons with the horns on them? Beep them.
What one?
Okay, keep going. Keep going. Okay, there you go. Now you're going to turn in. Go real slow. Keep going a little more. Keep going more. Pull in. Pull in right next to them. Nope. Go that way a little more. That way a little more. A little slower. 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 Right there. That's good. Stop. All right, everybody. Up more. Okay, got it? All right, hold it right there. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Right there. All right. We're going to end the video here. Everybody have a great day, and God bless.
I'll make a video.